Hey busy crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on day 5 of our 12 days of Christmas collaboration. And today is holiday signs. So what I decided to do is get one of these really warped, annoying rounds or wood rounds from Hobby Lobby. They came in like a 6-pack or a 6-pack, and they are, no, they're not all that great, but we made it work. So I started off by painting it with my Hello Hobby chalk paint in the color Midnight. I am really liking that color this year. And then I go ahead and Mod Podge the whole thing, and then I let it dry because I have printed that off of my HP printer from Fabrica. That's where I got that Santa picture. And it's kind of like a stained glass looking thing, so it turned out really cool. And there we go, we have it right there. I like that technique of letting the Mod Podge dry and then ironing on. There's no wrinkles, there's no crinkles, there's no tearing, there's no bubbling, there's nothing. It's just a perfect thing every time. So that's why I choose that than Mod Podging it on and then putting it on there. I never have a good thing to do. I never have a good outcome when I do that. So then I used those beads that I got from Hobby Lobby in the miniature tree section, and those are the white ones, not the silver ones. So I got white ones and I got silver ones. These are the white ones. And then I just frame Santa Claus, and then I frame the whole wood round all the way around it to give it a little bit of a finished look. You know, I did paint the edges of it. I did not paint the back. Did I paint the back? I'm not sure. Who knows? I think I was going to, but because those really thin rounds get warped a lot. Yeah, I didn't paint the back. So then I got this blue and silver ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I push it around 6 times, making 3 bows or 3 puffs on each side of it. I go ahead and scrunch it in the middle, and with a zip tie that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, I tighten it up in the middle to make it look like a little bow tie right there. And then I make the tail. So I just go ahead and do that, and then I twist it so that way the pretty side is showing. And then I just go ahead and hot glue it down to the top. This one, when my husband saw it, he was all like, I really like that one. So when I mentioned my daughter-in-law might take it, he didn't seem too happy. So I guess my daughter-in-law is not getting this one. So I go ahead and what do I do? Oh yeah, I just cut that, and then I get silver ribbon that I got, silver sparkly ribbon that I also got from Hobby Lobby. All their ribbon was on sale, 50% off, so that's why I got a ton of ribbon this year. But I still need more ribbon because, you know, you can never have enough ribbon. So I'm just fluffing it up a little bit, and then pretty soon I'm going to... Okay, so I just dovetails the ends of them. There's another video for day 6 waiting for voiceover. So yeah, that's what I did. And so now I just glue it down, and I'm like, okay, I need something else, you know. So I got those Pics also from Hobby Lobby. They were also 50? No. Yeah, I think it's 40% off. I'm not quite sure. And I just go ahead and glue them down. And then I also got those dark blue berries from Hobby Lobby as well. Same thing, 40% off. And I just glue 3 of them to the top of the bow. So then I'm thinking, okay, this needs something else. I am at all. So I found these wood letters that I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And they're wood pile, so I didn't buy them. I bought them a year ago. Yeah, and so I just spelled out the word Santa. And because there's no like really raw wood or, you know, organic anything on this one, I go ahead and paint them with 2 coats of paint in my metallic paint that I got. It's a metallic silver. If I wanted it to be even more, I could have probably put more coats on it, but to make it really like silvery, you probably have to put 462,000 coats on there, and I just didn't have the time for that. Like, who has time for that? I have another video that needs to be done. I have another voiceover that needs to be done. we're almost through half of the 12 days of Christmas. And so I gotta buckle down and get to it, you know? So there is that. And then I decide that it does need a hanger, so I just use a little bit of those beads to make a hanger for it. And this one is done. Look at how beautiful it is. I really like that blue. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I know this is a shorter video, but like I said, we have a lot to do. So there is my take on a holiday sign, and I hope you guys like it, and I do get back to you. I want to thank you all so much to all my subscribers. I really appreciate you so much, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. Their links will be in the description box below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you clicking on my channel and taking the time to view it. Remember, if you haven't so far or haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. Thank you so much for all you do, and I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.